Guys, this project behind me that we are about to dig into was funded entirely by Lowe's. Big thank you to them. All the different products and tools that we use will be linked down in the description below on Lowe's website. Be sure to go and check them out. It helps the channel out immensely if you do that. But yeah, let's dig right into it, guys. Brand new day, guys. Hope everyone is doing fantastic. We are awaiting a delivery from Lowe's, which will be here in just a few hours. It's going to be a massive update to the shop here, but we'll catch you guys when it's here. Got the first load here. Got a bunch of lumber and other stuff coming on a separate delivery. But yeah. Some lights. Framing nailer. And tool chest with the bench top on it. But we'll dig more into all that as we go along here.
Drop the beer.
And that is part 2 of the delivery. As you can see, I carried the bags of concrete indoors already. Don't want to get them rained on. We won't go through everything we got all at once. I'll sort of show you as we go along with this project that we're working on. Alrighty, so I went ahead and got everything moved from out there in the driveway to back here on the deck behind the house, just to avoid any theft. There's all the junk from the old overhang that was back here. So next up for now, we will be digging some holes and show you guys what we're up to.
Rewind, come again. Drop the beer.
Level.
lining up about with the bottom of the siding. What?
Drop the beer.
Alright, so we've got this baseboard anchored in along the back of the shop here. And we've got this wall anchored in the concrete so far.
Rewind, come again.
If you haven't figured it out by now, we're rebuilding the lean-to that was back here. Only better. Much better.
Drop the beer.
Alright, so we are on our way to Lowe's because, as is always the case with projects like this, we misestimated on some materials. So we got to pick up a few things. Heading there now. It's all about. And we're here. We gotta get more of those joist hangers. Didn't get enough of those. Alright, so we got 5 sheets of the particle board here, 3/4 inch for the flooring. And we got 4 joist hangers there. Tom's also picking up screws, and he'll be out in a second. Yeah, so Lowe's was awesome enough to help us out with this project. Gave us a pretty hefty budget to work with. And so yeah, big thank you to Lowe's. About time to shout out. That's a wrap at Lowe's, heading back now. Getting the joist hangers up right now. Alright, so we got just over half the joists up here. Looking good.
Drop the bass.
Alright, so got all the joists in. Looking good. Alright, so the floor is wrapped up now. Tom's getting started on the roof.